Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. It's Christmas Eve, I've got 2 weeks off, we've got to get some stuff done around the house, and the house is an absolute mess, so let's get into it, and let's go. First of all, down here I've grabbed a whole lot of stuff that's no longer required. It's going in a sale and we've got to get rid of it. So we're chucking it all on Trade Me, see what we can get for it. Some of it might even get given away. We'll just have to wait and see. But we got to get rid of it, so it's going out the door. Denise has been making presents for all the extended family. If you do it yourself, you save a fortune, get it all done in one foul swoop, and get out of the road. It's all fun, isn't it? Well, the kitchen certainly is a bomb site. What are you up to, Denise?
I'm actually making some apple chutney. So I'm just adding some sugar.
Yeah.
And it needs half a cup of brown sugar as well, so just going to put that in.
Sounds wonderful. It smells very vinegary and I don't like vinegar.
Well, this is for gifts.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, that's
Maybe
okay.
Hopefully have some left over for us. So what I'm doing here is using up all our leftover apples that just somehow never got eaten. And this is getting turned into apple chutney, which I'll jar up and give away as gifts tomorrow because it's Christmas Day.
We've got some lovely scraps here. The chickens are in for a treat. What have we got in here? Let's have a look. Oh, some lovely scraps. Excellent.
What I'm doing here is just making some Christmas stockings. I was given this big piece of sheer Father Christmas or Santa fabric, and so I've made something like 18 of these, and so I'm just sewing the cup on to the top. And the other thing that I've made is some scented drawer sachets, and this has got dried lavender, rose petals, and you mix rice and Epsom salts in with it, and a few drops of essential oil, and so those are fragrant drawer liners. So I've made those for the ladies of the family. Here we have a Christmas stocking. Just like that.
Hello. You making a mess? You want something to eat? Yeah, of course you do. Let's go. Here we go. Where you go? Quick. Come on. Run. Come on. Come on. Here we go. It's the Pied Piper. Come on, little. There you go, some nice apples for you. No, that's it, you're not interested. That's it, that's all I got. Yeah, get into it. There you go. Uh-oh, another treat. Oh, we got some more for you. Here you go. Yum. Help yourselves. Next job. Denise has got some boxes that we need to get rid of. Let's get rid of them. Uh-oh, you finished. You finished your apples already. Out the way. Chop, chop. Come on, move. Move your chicken feathers. Coming to help, Rita? No, of course not.
It doesn't matter if it You probably only have enough for there anyway.
Yeah, so where do you want the clippings from? Here?
Yeah.
Just here?
Yeah, just over top. Fairly thickish.
Yep, well, as thick as I can get them. There won't be that many. Mr. Zippy, what are you doing? You sunbathing? Oh, nice spot for you.
The chutney is cooked, so I'm putting it into the jars. Very carefully.
Here's a kiwi fruit jam that Denise has made. All we got to do is put a label on it. I think we'll go with the Project Frugal label. Everyone loves Project Frugal, right? Yeah. If you don't, like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, etc, etc. Thanks. Anyway, a few more of those to go. Uh-oh, chickens have got into the garden. How did they get in? How did you get in, chickens? You going out?
There's probably a gap through there.
One at a time. Yep, you're first. You're first. Goodbye.
Hey, get out of there. Come on, get out. Shh. You naughty girls. Oh, puppy. Get out of there. Get out of there. Oh, you naughty girl.
I'm gonna tell her.
Yeah, I want.
It's alright.
They want really know 100 calories.
Awesome, Josh. See if you can get one more. Oh, you're good at that. Right.
Josh, do you want to tell us something?
Yes, please.
All three of us are on food tomorrow.
Right. Cool. Right.
Hello.
That's alright. Do another one here. Oops. Oh, awesome. We got one really good one. Right, we'll put that on the tray to cook as well, shall we?
Good job, buddy.
Good job. Christmas cookies should be about ready. What do you reckon? Put more?
Yeah, but more maybe. No, that's probably all right.
Okay.
Should we try one?
Some. There you go.
So what have we done for Christmas this year, Denise?
Well, somebody came up with the idea that everybody in the family has a big stocking and that each member of the family goes and purchases 15 gifts, to, one for each of the stockings. So being frugal, I decided that I would make what I could. So this is just an example of the 15 gifts that we've put together. So I made these stockings out of this fabric that I was given, and I filled that with lollies. And for the women, we've got fragrant lavender and rose drawer sachets. We've got homemade cookies, they're sugar cookies, so really simple recipe, and also a salt dough decoration, and the children and the women are getting those. Now for the men, we decided they probably wouldn't want fragrant drawer sachets, so we have made apple chutney and kiwi fruit jam, and Vinny has gone and designed this cool little label which we just have to stick on the front of the jar like so. That's really cool. Now the children are getting some little extra things as well, but for these stockings I have purchased some stickers, and I think I've got some little jars of bubbles as well. So that is our frugal gifts this year.
And there we have it. Denise made some frugal presents. Didn't cost a lot of money. We got it done. Now it's time to enjoy a delicious cookie. See you later.